So the timer is 3 minutes. And sorry for making this one because I accidentally
Gumagawa ko ng video si Cloud.
Yeah.
Open on income.
Uy! Nagulat ako dun. Your mommy Inumaki?
Hey yo!
Let's make you buy chocolate Pringles. Try the original version of this.
We are watching.
Spice it up a little bit. Caribbean spice chicken Pringles. Lay these out on the plate and drizzle them with pistachio cream.
Look at this.
I really do this. I'm gonna work it in with my fingers. If I was a professional trader like something I'd do.
What if the viewers watch what this is?
Nice. Cleaned it up so it doesn't look like it's been shut up. Next, we're gonna melt up a whole bunch of chocolate. Chocolate's been melted. Fill this bad boy up.
Namagapot. Tapos nagbaboto. Yung last video niya.
Spicy chicken
Huh?
Pringles.
Last video?
Now that's a beauty. Mm. Wow. Our spicy chicken flavors come through way more.
Look at this. You want-
so well.
You want to watch a video in a video? Then here you go.
I just got a bunch of rare Japanese sodas, so let's try them. Now, I actually ended up getting 11 different flavors, but I only have a couple here that are cold, so I'm going to try them. First up, we'll try the blue ones.
The viewers will watch a video in the video.
Oh, there we go. That's nice. You can see it has a marble inside. That's actually to seal the bottle. Cheers. Oh, yeah.
Watching break this way. It's 30 seconds left. I'm gonna get one more candy. Come on. One more candy. No, yeah. Could have only one more.
Here.
One more? Okay. I got one more.
I got one. What? Can you check the ice cream?
It's minus 14 seconds left. Okay. I'm gonna video. Where's it? It's right here. Doesn't even look like it doesn't look like ice cream. It still looks like the chocolate milk. I guess we need to wait more seconds.
I thought it was 10, bro. Sorry, guys.
Sorry guys. So we are still watching. I'm eating. Wait. Where's it?
Why?
The gum idea.
No. These are not.
Ah. Watching break. We are watching an ad. What's this?
Ilan pa rin si Isong eh. Pinakat lang nila yung sis.
Oh nah.
Ha? Uy, si Isong pinakat lang nila yung...
I'm gonna put to this. So see you guys. There's gonna be a part 3. So bye bye guys.